Good morning, all of you. I'm Dr. Suraiya Shahin, and today I will discuss the topic sharing knowledge resources. What is knowledge sharing? Why it is important, and the important ways to share knowledge. I will discuss all these points today. So, what is knowledge sharing? Knowledge sharing is an important process of exchanging ideas, informations, and knowledge between people. In other words, information and knowledge sharing is the process of making information, ideas, and knowledge available to others who need it. And this process of knowledge sharing can be done formally through different organizations, platforms, institutions, or informally through personal networks. Clear? So this is about knowledge sharing. Now, why is knowledge sharing important? Knowledge sharing is important not only for the personal and professional growth but also for the growth and development of our society. Sharing knowledge has benefits for the sharer because you find that information is only of value if you give it to people who need it and use at right place. And that's why knowledge sharing is equally important and has benefits for the recipient. Knowledge sharing also creates understanding, opportunities, and also help people at their working place to grow leadership skills. In this changing digital era, knowledge sharing also brings our attention to the direction where knowledge is constantly changing and evolving. Here, I am reminded of a famous critic and theorist, Michel Foucault, a French philosopher who said, knowledge is power. Foucault said, knowledge is power. Foucault believes that power is based on knowledge and makes use of knowledge. Power creates and recreates its own fields of exercise through knowledge. That's why Foucault emphasized the term power and knowledge. Clear? Now I will discuss the important ways to share knowledge resources. And the first is collaborate with others. Collaboration is the first and most important way to share knowledge and resources. To share ideas, knowledge, and resources, you should work with others who have similar interests and expertise. कोलैबोरेशन में हमें एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है, एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है अपने आइडियाज़, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज को शेयर करने के लिए और वैसे लोगों तक पहुंचाने में जिन्हें उस आइडियाज़ एंड नॉलेज की ज़रूरत है. मीन्स कोलैबोरेशन एस्टेब्लिशेस an environment, a culture of knowledge where people are encouraged to start a culture of sharing knowledge. Next is attend conferences, seminars, and workshops. Conferences, seminars, and workshops are the platforms that help us to learn from learned and experts. While attending conferences and workshops, we not only receive the required ideas and information, but also share our knowledge with others. कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, सेमिनार्स एंड वर्कशॉप्स में हमें ऐसे लोगों से इंटरेक्शन होने का मौका मिलता है, एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है जो स्कॉलर्स और एक्सपर्ट्स डिफरेंट फील्ड से आते हैं जिनका नॉलेज हमें बेनिफिट पहुंचाता है. इस प्लेटफॉर्म से ना हमें सिर्फ नॉलेज मिलता है बल्कि एक बड़ी क्राउड में अपने आप को कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है, हमें कैसे कॉन्फिडेंटली कम्युनिकेट करना है, यह सब सीखने को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है. Next is establish knowledge sharing habits. You should establish knowledge sharing habits, which is an effective key. Not just to educate about sharing practices, but also help you understand the potential benefits. Okay, and it also gives you the opportunity with your colleagues and people working at official places. The knowledge sharing methods help in automating and standardizing the knowledge management, but the most prominent challenge is to create a knowledge sharing culture. Also, if I talk about the organization, knowledge sharing habits help in building the process and stimulate knowledge transfer within the organization. Here I can also mention mentoring others. Mentoring is a great way to share knowledge with others, how to grow and develop. Suppose I am guiding you here in a particular field, means I am sharing my knowledge and ideas with you all. Okay, next is internal communication platform. Internal communication platform performs as a prime facilitator for knowledge sharing. Internal communication platform also helps the organization to disseminate the ideas and information to the employees and other people involved in it, which eventually create a robust knowledge sharing culture. Chat, group chat, meetings, calls, or sharing the screen, etc. come under internal communication platform. Chat, group chat, meeting, calls, or sharing the screen, etc. come under internal communication platform. Next is participate in online forums and communities. You can join online forums and communities relevant to your fields and areas of interest. Participating in online forums and communities give you a good opportunity to share your knowledge, and also you can equally learn from them. So here you have both advantages. Next is social media. Social media, you can use social media as a platform to share your ideas and knowledge, which also help you to connect with others. You can also share your published research papers, articles, insights, and other resources related to your field. You can also create and share content such as blogs, podcasts, infographics, informative videos, and deliver lectures, which are the medium of sharing your knowledge and guiding people. अभी के डिजिटल एरा में सोशल मीडिया एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म बन चुका है जहां से हम किसी भी फील्ड में नॉलेज गेन कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो स्पोर्ट्स का फील्ड हो, मार्केटिंग का फील्ड हो, आर्ट्स हो, एंटरटेनिंग हो, टीचिंग का फील्ड हो, या फिर एवरीडे न्यूज़ अपडेट्स हो। एवरी फील्ड में हम आइडियाज़ और इंफॉर्मेशन को एक्सचेंज करते हैं, वो भी सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू। If I am guiding you here, you are listening to me and getting the relevant knowledge and ideas, it is only through the medium of social media that we are connected with each other, and that is very advantageous for our personal and professional growth. Last is use open educational resources. Open educational resources, which we call OER, are free online resources that can be advantageous and helpful for learning and teaching research. Open educational resources are accessible to gain varieties of ideas and knowledge resources, and also share those ideas and knowledge with other people. As we know, accessibility is the key to the best knowledge management. by keeping the resources on the cloud can help you make the knowledge easily accessible. Online or cloud access is easily available that helps you to access the resources anytime or anywhere in the world. Knowledge sharing is best supported by digital connection, like an internet that supports excellent coordination with the people across the world. So overall, sharing knowledge resources is very important for our personal, professional, and social growth and development. By collaborating with others, attending conferences, seminars, and workshops, establishing knowledge sharing habits, and internal communication platform, participating in online forums, using social media, and using open educational resources can contribute to the learning and sharing of knowledge. So these are the ways to sharing knowledge resources. Thanks for today. We meet in the next class.